exponential notation for powers of 10. Number and word notation. They're used to express large numbers. You use one number and one word. Examples are 25 billion and 92 million. Standard notation would be 25 billion, as you can see right here, and the number and word notation would be 25 billion. Again, it's a quick and easier way to write the standard notation. Powers of 10. Whole numbers that can be written using only tens as factors. An example, in 1,000, the same answer is 10 times 10 times 10, and also 10 to the third power. The standard notation is 1,000. The product of tens would be 10 times 10 times 10, and the exponential notation is 10 to the third power. Exponential notation for powers of 10. Remember, it's the shorthand way to write numbers. The numbers of zeros in the standard notation are equal to the exponent for that number. An example, how many zeros are in 1 trillion? How many times will 10 appear in the factor expression for 1 trillion? There are 12 zeros in 1 trillion, as you can see in the standard notation. How many times will 10 appear in the factor expression? Again, 10 will appear 12 times. Therefore, reminding you that the number of zeros in the standard notation are equal to the exponents for that number. Since there's 12 zeros in 1 trillion, the exponent will be 12 and the base will be 10. So the exponential notation is 10 to the 12th power. Exponential notation for the powers of 10 can be written in these 4 ways. Standard notation, you can write out 1 trillion. Number and word notation, you can write 1 and trillion. Repeated factor expression would be 10 times 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 10. So as you can see, that gets a little long. So it's easier to write the exponential notation of 10 to the 12th power.